Stop. Before you buy another AI tool, ask yourself one question. How many AI subscriptions are you paying for right now? Last month, while reviewing different AI platforms, I noticed something. The number of AI subscriptions many creators end up using honestly surprised me, and that's exactly why GrokMax 4.5 caught my attention. Now imagine if one platform could handle many of those tasks from a single dashboard. That's exactly what GrokMax 4.5 claims to do. But is it actually a smarter way to work, or just another AI product making big promises? Stay with me, because there's one thing most reviews never explain, and it could completely change whether this tool is worth your money. Let's break it down. Quick disclosure: this review is based on publicly available vendor information. I haven't personally tested the software, so I'll focus on what it claims to offer and what you should consider before buying. AI has become incredibly powerful. Ironically, that's also created a new problem. Instead of making work simpler, many people end up juggling multiple AI platforms every day. You write in one tool, generate images in another, research somewhere else, then switch again for marketing or coding. The constant tab switching may not seem like a big deal, but over time it can slow down your workflow and increase subscription costs. That's the gap GrokMax 4.5 aims to fill. Instead of focusing on one task, it positions itself as an all-in-one AI workspace. But here's the catch: bringing everything into one dashboard only matters if it actually improves your daily workflow. According to the vendor, GrokMax 4.5 is designed to bring several AI-powered capabilities into one platform. That includes help with writing, brainstorming, research, coding assistance, marketing content, creative work, and other productivity tasks. The idea isn't necessarily to replace every specialist tool on the market. Instead, it's about reducing the need to constantly jump between different services during your day. If you're a freelancer, content creator, marketer, agency owner, or small business owner, that type of streamlined workflow could be valuable, provided the platform performs as advertised. And in a moment, I'll explain why that last part is more important than any feature list. Here's the part that matters most. I haven't personally tested GrokMax 4.5, so I'm not going to tell you it's the best AI platform available. No honest reviewer should make claims they can't verify. What I can say is that the concept makes sense. Many professionals don't necessarily need the absolute best AI for every single task. They need a tool that helps them get work done efficiently without constantly switching platforms. Before buying, I'd recommend checking the latest feature list, pricing, refund policy, and whether the platform supports the workflows you actually use every week. Those practical questions are far more important than flashy marketing claims. That's the difference between buying because of hype and buying because it genuinely fits your workflow. GrokMax 4. The 5th of May be worth considering if you regularly create content, manage client work, handle digital marketing, or run an online business where AI is part of your daily workflow. If you only use AI occasionally for one specific purpose, a dedicated tool might still be the better fit. The right choice depends on your workflow, not the hype. And that's exactly why this won't be the right tool for everyone, which is actually a good thing. So, is GrokMax 4.5 worth your attention? If you're looking for a platform that aims to simplify multiple AI tasks under one roof, it's certainly worth exploring further. Just make sure you compare the current features and pricing with your own needs before making a decision. If you'd like to see the latest details, I've linked the official page in the description below. If this review helped you make a more informed decision, hit the like button, subscribe to Ethan Cole, and I'll keep bringing you honest reviews of the newest AI tools, without the hype. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. FTC disclosure. Some links in the description may be affiliate links. If you choose to purchase through them, I may earn a commission at no additional cost to you.